Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. Daily we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today Wednesday market September 13 and time is 10:25. A buy call generated, green color candle open. Buy at 45,591, that is our entry point line. Straight white line from green color candle. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market, automatically it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Today buy call came at 591. First target is 705, more than a 100-point target. Second target is 820, more than a 200-point target. Like this daily it will generate calls. Like how you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading. Auto trading means by connecting your broker account with this chart. So both are possible. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. 30 minutes of buy call generated. It successfully break out first target range and continuous bullish momentum. It break out the second target range also. Like this in Bank Nifty future, it break out both the target. 45,500 call option. It's a weekly expiry from 85 to 260. Can you see such a good length? Because of market sudden good movement, it market all the way breakout 260 range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the details. Thank you.